What up, guys? We're gonna be making a burger tonight.
Alright, so I'm outside now. So I'm gonna open the valve on the propane tank. And then turn on the grill here. Just like that. So as my grill's heating up here, as usual, you always want to, clean the grill, because you don't want any of the stuff from the last time you used it getting on whatever you're gonna cook. So just want to use a wire brush here and just get all the crap off. So I got my patty out here. I'm just gonna be cooking one, and I'm just gonna get that on the grill here. Shit. Hold on. Here we go. So yeah. I'm gonna close the lid, and then I can start preparing the vegetables and stuff.
Alright, guys, so here I laid out some of the toppings I'm gonna put on the burger, and while it's cooking, just so I can get this out of the way while the burger's on the grill. So yeah, I'm gonna slice up this tomato and get some of the avocado and put the cheese on the patty while it's on the grill. And I'm also gonna toast these buns on the grill in a bit, so yeah.
Alright, so the patty's been on the grill for a bit, so I'm gonna flip it over now. And this patty actually has like blue cheese in it, which is kind of weird, but so that's why it looks like that. So yeah, I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'll put the cheese on top, a little bit, and I'm gonna close the lid. So guys, so now while the burger is cooking, I put the cheese on there now, and then also while I'm out here, I'm gonna kind of toast the buns, just so they don't get like soggy or anything. And I like put the toppings and like the burger, and like so the juices don't make the buns soggy. Sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna just toast these buns for a bit. So yeah.
So while I'm inside, I'm also gonna make the sauce for the burger, and it's pretty simple. It's just ketchup. It's just some ketchup and then some mayo, and I just mix it together. And that's gonna be the like sauce, I guess. So get some mayo and just mix it together. Mayo and the ketchup. So I'm gonna just keep mixing this, and then when I'm done with the burger, I'll put this on the burger. So yeah.
Back at the grill, and I think the burger is ready. So get it on this plate. Smells good. And I think those buns are nice and toasted. So I'm gonna get those buns on the plate. Wow, look at that. So I got my buns. And I'm gonna go inside, and we're gonna start constructing the burger now.
Alright guys, so now we're inside, and then you can begin the construction of the burger. So I put the burger on the bottom bun, and then I'm gonna start putting our sauce I made on the top bun, just like putting it around there. Just like that. Just want to cover the surface of this top bun here. Like that should be good. And then I'm gonna get the sliced tomatoes I cut up, put those on the burger, just like that. I don't know why they're like green, whatever. And then the lettuce. This piece is kind of big. Just lettuce. Just like that. And now to top it off, look at that. Amazing burger. homemade. So yeah, that's my burger, guys. I hope you enjoyed this burger tutorial. And then now I'm gonna eat this delicious looking burger. So if you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe and share. All right, later.